So how I met one of my best friends, Jesse, is actually through coincidence.
So in 2009, I was coming back. I was living in Hamilton, Ontario, because it was really, really cheap to live, and I was a musician making like $4,000 or $5,000 a year. So when I got back, I was connecting with a few friends that I had gone to high school with, and one of them actually said, you should hang out with this guy, Mark Coppola. He's putting on events, and he's looking for someone who wants to play live music.
Well, we met at a mall and had a quick little lunch, and
honest to God, I don't even think I had enough money to buy anything in the food court. I literally think I was just sitting there with a cup of water.
he kind of needed some of the things that I was putting out into the world, and I kind of was looking for somebody like him with his talents.
Looking back at everything I've done in the various aspects of my career, it all stems from this one meeting at a mall.
I mean, we've gone on to build a video production company. We've done so many gigs together, countless weddings, so many opportunities have come through us connecting.
If it wasn't for this random person who decided just to be like, oh, I'm gonna be generous, I'm gonna connect these two, I'm gonna take time out of my life to make sure that these two have a chance to meet, honest to God, I don't even know where I would be right now.
Well, it's amazing what we could do with a simple app and a swipe to just connect with somebody who might alter the course of your entire life.
Thankfully, I ended up in a position that I'm happy with, but who knows what would have happened if I had access to an app like this for so many years. It would have been amazing.